Hello friends, hope everybody doing well. So I want to share another message to you for the people who are working in this industry, any industry. Maybe you are working in job in construction industry or IT industry. Uh, no need to quit your job. Without quitting job, you can make a parallel passive income source, and over a period of time you will think about it whether you want to go with job or whether you want to go with this path. So don't quit job to start a new parallel journey. So what are the things you have to do? See, everybody have an ambition, have a dream to make a better life, a prosperous life. But how to reach? People know many things, but they don't want to take action. They are procrastinating, and that is the reason they never reach their dream. What I understand from my experience since last 20 years, and after learning some of the new techniques, methodology from my mentors, that it is very easy if we follow the process, a simple structured process, step by step process, then anybody can reach a prosperous life. So what is prosperous life basically? Prosperous life is that where you will get the happiness, where you will get the money, where you will get the peace. So all those three combinations, it is happiness, money and peace. How it is possible? It is very simple. You have to control your mind. So I'll not go this topic right now. I'll give you a simple strategy. It's a step-by-step process. It's a 7-step process you need to follow to reach your greater destinations, your future, your dream, a prosperous life, a prosperity. So, number 1 step, find your niche or find your clarity, what you want to do. It's a knowledge-based system. You have to utilize the technology, the internet or online, and make it your product or service. So you can do it parallelly along with your job. You need to utilize the time, whatever your free time, when you are getting holidays. Maybe if you have a 5 days work, Saturday, Sunday you are off. So you need to be dedicated yourself to make this path, make this journey, and you need to work on all those holidays. 5 days you full concentrate on your job, but the next 2 days, if you have Saturday, Sunday, or if you have only one holiday, whatever, you need to utilize your time, free time, to make your prosperous life. So step number 1 is to find your niche. Step number 2, set a clear intention to achieve your target or goal. You need to fix your goal. Maybe not now, after 5 years or after 10 years, you need to reach somewhere else, right? So you need to fix your intention, clear intention and a goal, and you need to do the reverse engineering, how to reach over there. So that you need to make a back calculation and every day do some of the task. That is the point number 2, step number 2. Step number 3, start to build a network, because network equal to net worth. So if you don't have a community, if you don't have a your connections with the people, so whenever you will increase the connection with the people, your finance, your money also go accordingly, increase accordingly. So you have to build a network. How to build a network? It's very easy nowadays. In the social media will help you connect with the people through LinkedIn, through YouTube, through Facebook, Instagram, okay, and give your value to all those channels, all those platforms. Free value, okay, whatever your knowledge, domain knowledge, your experience, your special talent, something you may very good in drawing, arts, or any other activities. You can share those knowledge also. Where you, if you think that this is my niche, this is my clarity, and this is the subject where I have a more confidence. So you need to share your knowledge to the world. Simple, and people will connect with you. Number four, step number four, that is your make a course, make a service, prepare a course, digital course. Okay. So how to create a course? There is a process to create a course. So it is very simple. Whatever your knowledge, you just note down step by step and make it a different section, different module. Okay. You have to do some work definitely. Without some work, this is not the lottery. You will get the one day you will get the lottery and you will become rich. It's something not like. You have to make a foundation. So this is the foundation. Parallelly, along with job, whatever you learn from your experience, from domain knowledge, or you have some special knowledge related to all the subjects. Initially, you have to choose one subject, work on that subject, and prepare a step-by-step course. Number 5, that is the step number 5. You have to start to connections with the people by one-to-one call. Okay, start doing one-to-one meeting and webinar. So whenever people will connect with you, you build a network. You ask them to come to your world, your WhatsApp group, your Facebook group, your Telegram group. You have to create all those groups. When people join in that group, separately you ask them to give an invitation for the one-to-one call or the webinar call. Right? This is the call to action. So that way, when they will come to you, you need to teach them that this is my course and I will do this for you in my holidays, maybe Saturday or Sunday for 2 hours or 3 hours or 1 hour, whatever. And there you need to teach them that I will give you so much value, but for that you need to pay me some minimum amount, maybe 4,000, 5,000, 3,000, whatever based on your course. You can demand that, and they will pay you for getting those knowledge or value from you. So this is the step number 6. And the step number 7, which is most important, that is my intention, and your purpose should be like that. You should be make this system automatic. So this will work as an automatic system, right? So when you make it as an automatic system, then your effort will be less. You need to give less effort and you will get the maximum benefit. So what is that system? You need to understand, you have to connect with all the things interconnected. You have to link with all the systems and people automatically come to your world. You need to give maybe 1 hour or 2 hour or 3 hour maximum in every week to give your values to those people live. And rest all the system will work automatically and you will make maybe 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 10 lakhs. There is no limit per month. So when you quit your job, when you reach that level, when your salary is almost equal to from your passive income, so that time you can think about it to quit your job, right? Not now. And I want to give you another bonus tip. What is the bonus tip? Which give you a definite prosperous life. So when you make all the foundation, if everything is done, setup is done, now when you're making more money than your present income or present active income, then you need to scale it and make a team, build a team. So scaling and building a team, that is your continuous success, which maintain a continuous success. okay, and it's a very different life. What I'm also in this journey, and I'm getting results, and I have seen the people, they are how much prosperous, leading the prosperous life. They're enjoying their life. Okay, if you want to get that kind of life and that kind of prosperity, then you need to follow these steps. And you want to get more details and every breakdown structure, then connect with me. I will help you. Thank you for listening and watching this video.